Okay, so how do I transform myself from this to this? Is how it turned out to be, and I'm kind of happy about it. I like it. Okay, so what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, your girl NCP here with another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to do a makeup for beginners. So without any further ado, let's start the video. So first of all, I'm gonna use this L'Oreal Revitalift serum. I'm not using any skin elixir today because I'm chumming right now and my skin is kind of breaks out. As you can see, I have a breakout here. I don't want to mess with my skin no more, so make sure you have a clean face. Okay, so after the serum, I'm gonna use the night cream. Yes, ladies, I'm gonna use the night cream for this, and it's by L'Oreal as well. And the reason why I'm using night cream is cream just works magic in my skin, and the reason why I'm using this white cream and not primer or moisturizer is because I want to try using a night cream. Seriously, I do want to use it because I've seen Harush doing it and it works fine for her, you know. But she does in a different way. But this is what I'm trying. That's what I exactly say. That's what I tell you all the time. You don't have to do exactly what other people are doing, but what you can do is you can take some tips and tricks and definitely improvise and just work or what works for you better. It's just a matter of fact that you should know your skin properly. It's no one knows your skin better than yourself, right? You know when you break out, you know when your skin gets dry, you know when your skin tends to get super oily, or if you have a combination skin, oily skin, dry skin, you know it better. So, and for this I'm using the Glow Time Full Coverage Mineral BB Cream by Jane Iredale. Okay. Oh, it's too shiny. Okay, now I'm going to apply the concealer. Okay, and the concealer which I'm going to be using today is by L'Oreal. It's Infallible Full Wear and it's in the shade Amber. Yeah, 312. So what I'm going to do is just going to conceal this area. Here I have my dark spots. I just hate it. Just going to draw a line here. I'm usually not gonna sleep nowadays. I don't sleep. It's just taking a toll over my health, my skin, and I'm not liking it. That's the reason why I think I'm getting dark circles under my eyes. That's what my sister said. I honestly feel sleep deprivation is the worst thing ever, because once you lose your sleep or you're not getting enough sleep, is when you're irritated. You get irritated and you just get irritated. Yeah, I just get irritated. I just blast people and not blast myself bomb blasting or anything like that. But I blast people with words. I get very moody and I hate it. I don't know what it is. My sleep deprivation. I'm just sleeping for most probably 1 hour, 1.5 hours, then I just wake up, then I try to go back to sleep. It's not happening. I try to read books and all. It doesn't work. It just gives me more weak. Okay? Over my contour that I did. Just because I want to go for a bronzer look. If you don't own any bronzers, it's okay. You can just move on with your lipstick, or either you can use an eyeshadow. Yeah. So now let's do my eyebrows. So as you see, I've brushed it already with the smoothie and my Pierce bar. I'm gonna take my powder, eyelash kit, and I just make sure okay. Okay, so my eyebrows are done. Now let's do something with, oh, I actually kind of like how it turned out. Oh, nice. So for my eyes, I'm gonna be using an eyeshadow palette. I definitely hope you ladies do own an eyeshadow palette. So as you can see, like I've applied over my eyelids as well. Where my eye socket area is where I usually want to get my crease, till there. Okay? And from there, what I want to do is like I'm gonna take 2 shades darker. See, when you get a crease, just gonna like top it. Okay? And I'm just gonna blend it. Using that brush, just let's blend it. I'm in need of a good microphone. Actually, my microphone kind of broke. The audio you're listening to is like the audio from the camera. It's not that bad, but I usually need a good microphone. Let it dry. Keep it for a minute or so. So I think I'm done with my eyelash glue or eyelash liner, what do we call it, and I'm gonna use something that's long that looks more natural. Okay, so I'll need a mirror for this because I have a very bad eyesight and I definitely cannot see what's going out there. As you can see, it gives it a natural long lashes. You can curl it, you can use the mascara over it, or if you have a naturally long lashes, just go with mascara, babe. You don't have to apply eyelashes. I have a term, so I have to do this thing. Okay. If you have smaller eyes like mine, make sure you don't apply kajal or anything dark underneath your in the lower lids. You use anything that's brown or more neutral tone or anything that's like bronzy. This works. And where is my lip gloss? Yeah, I love this lip gloss. And after this lip gloss, I'm just gonna give more shine. Like in the previous video, I've used I think the same thing. Am I ready? I don't know if I'm ready. Okay. So I'm all bronzy. Okay. And I look good. I don't mind. I'm all bronzy and I'm happy. And so that is it, my ladies. Thank you so much for watching. And if you're new to this channel, please do not forget to give me a like, please subscribe, comment down below, and press the notification bell so that you get notified every time I post a new video. And yes, and do share. It kind of helps me a lot. So I hope you found this video useful and helpful. It's not much, like I told you, this makeup is for the beginners. Okay, you don't need to own a whole lot of product. You can definitely make a use of your lipstick and for your eyeshadow, or like as for your contouring like I've used. But make sure, ladies, at least own some of the products, okay, so that it just gets convenient for you when you have to attend any kind of functions, you know, it just happens like that. So until the next video, I hope till then I get better sleep and my health gets back to its terms. Hoping for the best. Till then.